Okay, Rob here with Smart Profit Money. I'm here to give you a quick overview on how to make a blog. So let's get started. You should be able to see my pointer on screen. Here it is here. Okay, let me first talk about what this video is going to cover. Okay, number one, we're going to go into the editor of WordPress and we're going to look at how easy it is to actually use and create a simple page. Okay, next we're going to look at some of the most popular ways that you can create blogs, themes, and different options that you guys have in working in WordPress. So that being said, let me just start jumping right into what's on my screen here. I'm going to actually use my own personal blog as an example. If you guys are trying to figure out what is a blog, how do you make a blog, it's really up to you on the content that you guys use in your website or blog. So okay, so for mine, internet marketing training, it's just a professional blog, professional theme, and I use some of the most latest technology in this theme. I'm not just saying that because it's mine. No, I've been doing this for years and years. And let me just first tell you about me, the trainer, because you're probably wondering, why should I listen to him? I started, oh my God, 20 years ago. I've been using WordPress, I would say, since it came out, 2003. So that being said, I've used all the major tools that are out, all the new ones coming out, all the bad ones. I've tested products left and right, so pretty much do it all here. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to show you how this works. Once you guys learn how to use WordPress, it will be totally up to you on what you can create. It's endless. Okay, so a blog just means it's whatever niche that you guys choose, and the content that you drop in, that's what your website's going to be. So here we go. I'm going to scroll up and down. You can see the example of mine here, and it uses really some of the best tools out there. But enough on mine. I wanted to show you a few other things here, and let's start going right into all this stuff. But keep in mind, if you wanted a custom blog, it's going to take you a while to learn and how to use all the tools that we basically use. So let's go straight into how to make a blog. First of all, I created this post here. Kind of shows you what you guys actually need to know if you're looking around online. So it kind of tells you if you want to, how to make a blog, you should be asking yourself this here, what type of blog you guys want. And I say, first of all, on here it says, or should this page be called how to use WordPress? The reason is because once you learn, you can do any type of blog. And you see I'm pointing to them here: personal blog, how-to blog, e-commerce blog, review blog, niche blog, Amazon niche store, affiliate blogs, branding blogs, and much more. I mean, it's endless. So the more you guys know, the easier it is for you to make a website and a blog and enter content and widgets and just so forth and plugins and just keep going and going. So it's easy to do. It does have a learning curve, so if you guys are in a rush, you can't be in a rush. You have to just relax and learn how to do this. After all, you guys are really trying to do this the right way. If you rush it, it's not going to look right. You'll have nothing but problems. So try to have patience in working with WordPress and building a blog. Okay, that being said, let's go look at some stuff that's out there online. Here's some of the demos, and they happen to be ours. Here's some basic themes. You can actually get these from myself, from us. Okay, and these are just demos for you to show you. If you were to upload this theme, it would look just like this right out of the box. All you guys got to do is start adding pages and posts and adding content. You can turn off the sidebars here, so you can create any type of blog you basically want. And keep in mind, I'm going to be going inside the editor and show you how to edit pages and add content and stuff. So that being said, just take a look at this really quick. This is a sample demo of it's called an A store from Amazon. So you can drop these in, fairly simple. You just have to set up your API settings and you can start using this. Now, I want to show you some of the best themes out there since you guys are new and you're trying to figure out how all this works. Let me show you some of the coolest themes that can actually create different types of blogs. If you guys are trying to say, well, I want a blog that has both. I want Amazon inside it. I want this. I want that. Okay, you can have all the tools that you guys need and only use the tools that you need at first, and once you start learning, then you can start turning things on. What I mean by that, I'm going to show you here in 1 second, but first, You can even do this type of theme, like say somebody wants to build a trainer's blog for working out. Okay, you can do this. Okay, out of the box they pretty much look just like this with the slideshow working. Just add in your text and learn how to use the editor on WordPress. So all this is super easy. See, I did not want to make this video of me just going into the back end of WordPress and just have it boring and watch me build pages. You guys can learn that on your own, but I will touch on that quickly here. So stand by. I'm going to go into the editor. But all I'm trying to say is once you know the back end of WordPress, this stuff can be done for any type of blog and any type of niche. Don't worry. So let's keep moving on here. Let me show you something. Right here is one of the custom blogs that I was talking about. Now, me being one of these trainers that plays around with all these themes and products, this is where this comes in, which is good on your end. I'm the guy that practices and tells you what is the best products out there and blah blah blah. So here's one of them. This one's awesome. Okay, you can build a store just like this and it puts in products in minutes. Okay, super fast. You just got to enter again your API settings and learn the back end of this theme, and bam, you will have an Amazon store. These are all Amazon products. And now if you're using this theme, it doesn't mean you have to use it completely as an Amazon store. It could be both your blog and have Amazon products. So that's one of the best things about this theme here. Okay, and you will find more information on our website. Anything that I talk about or things that you want to find, go to Ask Rob on my website, Smart Profit Money, and go to the top navigations and I will answer all questions, or go to the bottom links, of course, on the bottom of this video, or look around on my YouTube channel. I just wanted to make sure that you guys understand that everything's always there for you and I answer all questions sent to me. Let's keep moving along here. If you wanted to play around with this blog here, this is what it looks like when you actually when it's new. It's empty and it will not have this banner. I just dropped this in and I dropped in a few colors on the links, but as you can see, it's super easy. It changes so easy when you guys start to work with it. I'm going to show you. Watch this. I'm going to hit refresh. It's going to drop all the products because I just emptied them. Now there's nothing in the theme except for this image. So let's go put some products inside. You don't need a third-party plugin. It works right out of the box. So let me show you how this is done. We're going to go right into the back end of this theme. So this is what I'm talking about. If you guys wanted to learn, you have to learn the back end of WordPress. Super easy. But watch this. We're going to drop in some products here. I'm putting in a demo shoe, which happens to be Skechers shoes. We've already set our settings up, so I'm not going to show you that, but I'm just going to show you some of the things here. Amazon affiliate network is ticked on. You have other options here, but they're not turned on. Commission junction and eBay can be added to this affiliate network backend theme. Okay, next you can choose something here. We're not going to do that. We're going to choose products. We're going to say we want 20 products to be returned. I'm just going to hit search. Don't worry about it pulling the same shoe twice or product. So in other words, if you've already uploaded some shoes, you don't have to worry about it pulling that same exact product. It only pulls the new ones that you guys are actually looking for. So if you've already uploaded, like say this shoe here, it's not going to pull that same shoe twice. So you don't have to worry and wonder, oh my god, did I already upload this exact shoe? Don't worry. Whatever product it is, it only uploads it once. It's actually up to you to actually choose it, of course. If you want all of them, super easy. Watch how easy this is. I'm going to tick them all on. I have actually created categories to work in this theme. You have to choose them, and then you can choose, after you guys get to learn how this works, save as draft or upload live. I'm going to click this one here, upload live, and bam, it's going to send them on its way. Give it a second. It's going to upload. And this, I just wanted to touch on this. This shows you how easy it is to work with some of these custom themes. So remember, if you're trying to figure out how to make a blog, you can do any type of blog as soon as you guys get experience with the WordPress editor. Let's go back into the theme. I'm going to click right here on the image, top image, and the header, and it brings in the slideshow immediately, and all the products are laid out on page. Super easy, super fast, and you can just keep adding products and products. And it's always good to add your own content, your About Me page, and so forth. There's a lot to learn on this theme. There's many options to look at on this theme. I just wanted to show you the different types of blogs out there that you can use. Now let me go to a basic theme again, this one. Okay, and let's go to the back end of this theme here. I just wanted to show you how this works now. This is what you guys have been waiting for, I think. Okay, this is a sidebar. From this point to here, you can turn this on and off. So I'm going to show you all this stuff. Let's go right in there. Now let's create something very quick here. I actually copied some content, so we're going to go to this theme, and we're going to go into, let's go right here. Hold on one second. Let me find what I'm looking for. Let's go to this one right here. Okay, this happens to be on my own personal theme, as you can see. Okay, see how nice this page looks. If you guys are wondering, well, how hard is it to actually create a page like this? Video, all that stuff, alright? Custom buttons, custom links, all that stuff. It's actually super easy, alright, if you have experience, of course. So we've already copied the content that's on this page. I have it saved in my notepad. So we're going to go right in to the back end of this basic theme. We're inside this one here, just so you guys know where I'm at. We're inside this one. So you have a bunch of functions here and admin buttons to choose on. All I did was I went to pages and I said add new. So we created one testing page, and it's called test page for training. This is the WordPress editor. Okay, super easy. You go to plugins and you install whatever plugins you guys need. We only have one plugin installed in this one, and that's to customize the editor. Okay, right here we just added some more functions to this editor. So there's a bunch of little things that you can learn, and you can learn much more on our website by watching more videos, of course, from our YouTube channel, and just go to Smart Profit Money, of course, or send me questions. But here we go. Okay, on this theme here, I just wanted to show you how themes have different options. You can turn off the sidebar, you can turn off the header. Here's the sidebar, just one tick and it's off, but we're going to leave it on. You can turn off the title on the page. I mean, you can see the functions. I do have this on the large zoom, so you should be able to see all this stuff. So let's drop in some content. I'm going to go to here. This is the one that I actually copied, so let's copy it one more time to the mouse. Okay, now let's drop it in. We're going to go right in to the editor. I'm on visual, as you can see. Okay, and let's just drop it in. There it is. Everything's in there. The only thing I'm going to take out is this. Okay, this is a little bit of code. Don't let it scare you. I know you guys are new, but watch. I'm going to just copy this back to the mouse, throw this away, and type in 3 X's. 1, 2, 3. If you guys are learning code, this is some of the easiest way to actually work with it. Now, I do this because it's easier for me to teach you on screen as well. I could have just clicked here and said insert video. This is going to be the video. I'm going to drop in a video right here. So all you got to do is put your text in and you guys are ready to go. Okay, so we put 3 X's. Now let's hit text right here. See those 3 X's? There they are. Let's back out those X's. Control V on your mouse, and bam, we've dropped in the code that I needed. It has a center tag, closing tag, and the YouTube embed code. That's pretty much it. And as you can see, it comes alive that easy. Now if I wanted to put a button in, super easy also. One of the custom buttons. You just need to upload buttons and to your media section of WordPress, and you guys can start using any type of button you guys want. So here we go. We're going to drop in this one. Okay, I clicked on that one, full size, and bam, this is an animated GIF button. Let's move this text down. There it is here. Super easy to do. You can see how fast I made this page. Let's move this up. Okay, there it is. Covert Store Builder. That's pretty much everything there. We can take out, happens to have a heading 1 tag. This is paragraph. You can change pretty much, you can format this the way you guys want. Formatting is done here. You copy this here, you go here, and you click arrow. This is just like any editor you've used probably in the past for emails. and then you just choose the font size. Okay, this is your H1 tags. You got 2, 3, all the way to 6. You can just keep going on and on. Okay, now here, if you want this to link to your shopping cart or your Amazon link or something, you just click right here and bam, you guys can add in a link. Super easy. So let me just show you really quick what this looks like. Let's go ahead and save it to draft. Of course, we didn't format this whole page. I don't want to make this video just be super long, but let's just move on and let's preview the page. Here it comes, and here's what it looks like. You can see we dropped in our product super easy. Now it does not look exactly the same as it did on my own personal blog because this is a different theme. The sheet width from here to here is different. The design and layout is different. But you can see any type of blog can be created so easy by you just putting in the text that you guys want. And I will say this, always try to create blogs that you guys know about, like the niche that you guys are in. Make sure it's something that you're passionate about and know really a whole bunch of stuff about, because you don't want to create something just to create it, to get it out there, and people start asking you questions online and then you don't know how to answer them. Be an expert about what you guys do, and then people will start asking you questions. Your blog will be found online, and actually you'll become pretty famous online before you guys know it, because everyone's going to start asking you stuff. You're going to be like, wow, okay, look at all this. So traffic comes super easy when you create a niche that you guys know about. I can't keep saying that enough. I mean, please try that. So let me pause this for 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. I just wanted to really quick click on something, and I didn't want you guys to have to wait. Okay, now I am back on this theme. Okay, so as I was saying, you can make different pages, different types of blogs, but I have a feeling that you guys are interested in custom blogs. You want the coolest stuff out there. So again, hold on 1 second. I'm going to show you this theme that we are staring at here. The functions on the back end is what I was telling you you have to learn, but they're super easy. So let me show you these. Here is the back end. It's called the Covert Store Builder theme, and you'll find it on my website. Okay, look at this. I'm going to scroll up and down. I do have this on a large zoom, so you should be able to see it. As you can see, there is a lot of theme options. All you have to do is configure these, and you can change all the colors, all the images, all this stuff. Now this video is not about working with this theme. If you wanted to find out more about this theme, look on my YouTube channel and you will find it under the Covert Store Builder theme review, and I go into all the settings and all that stuff. But I just wanted to show you, because you guys are interested in creating a custom blog. You can create the color of it, you can choose all the different images, social networks and links, and just there's so many custom things that this theme does right out of the box, as I was showing you. Okay, or again, you can build a simple theme and just use one of the basic themes. You can even use free themes when you guys are first starting out. Please keep in mind the free themes will not have the options that most premium themes have. A premium theme means the ones that you pay for a course and just have some of the coolest how to create a blog. So remember, the main thing, take it from me, please, that you have to know the editor on WordPress. Once you've learned that, you can add widgets and turn different parts of the theme on and off, add slideshows, and a lot of these themes have a lot of these functions built in, like slideshows. Okay, autoresponder ready, membership system ready. There's just a lot of stuff that's already built in. So try to ask questions. Go to my site and ask me if you guys are confused on anything, because there's so many videos out there that you can watch and you're going to get overwhelmed. Try to start out simple, learn the editor, build a simple theme, and then come back and add a different theme, different functions, and so forth. Try not to pay for a premium theme at first. That's the best advice I can actually give you. If you wanted to purchase any of the themes that you see on this video, you will find all the links on the video there. Like I always say, start out with a free one, just play around. But if you really want to start working with an awesome theme right from the start, that's fine. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, again, go to the top, ask me, and I will see you on the next video, of course. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button.